In Wilson Renewable Energy and EMS, both these stocks are gaining anywhere between 10 to 15% on the back of big order wins that the company has won. Karan, thanks so much for joining us with all those details. But let's shift focus to the power sector then. And CERC has issued draft regulations over market coupling, and that is the reason IEX is down 7% in trade today. Prakash is now joining us with more details on this. Prakash?
Well, an important development for the power sector, the CERC has come out with the draft market coupling regulations for the implementation of market coupling across power exchanges. A very significant development coming in. In fact, comments have been invited from the stakeholders. That essentially means formal process has been initiated for the implementation of market coupling going forward. In fact, the regulator has proposed to make certain amendments to the existing power market regulations to introduce market coupling. In fact, the draft has proposed to allow implementation of coupling in day-ahead market and a real-time market. It is also noted that the procedure will be published within 6 months from the notification, which essentially means that the draft has specifically mentioned a fixed timeline for the implementation of market coupling once final notification is issued. A very significant development. In fact, power exchanges will act as bid aggregator, wherein Grid Controller of India will act as a market coupling operator. Comments can be submitted by May 16 this year. That essentially means that the CERC has formally initiated the process to implement market coupling by finalizing regulations. You are aware of the fact that CERC had issued a direction for implementation of market coupling in July last year, which was challenged by IEX in appellate tribunal. After hearing both sides, tribunal has passed an order that the issue cannot be appealed at this point of time, as the final regulation has not been issued and there is no change in existing regulation. That also means that once the final regulation is issued by CERC, that could be challenged going forward.
Prakash,